y'all doing? Getting ready to clean up this old black iron pot and restore it. Then I'm gonna clean it up, reseason, and cook in it. Get the scale off as much as I can. The old seasoning. Use this oven cleaner. Spray it on, coat it real good. I'm gonna let it set. I'm gonna let this set probably a couple hours. Then I'm going to clean it up some more. Alright, I'm going to put this in the water and start cleaning it up in this bin. Try to get that old seasoning off and the rust. All coming off. So I can clean it up real good. Soaking that water a little while. Read it up. It's going to take a little bit of work, but it's going to make it. Restore this old black iron. Take this in grinder with a wire wheel and get the tough areas. You can see, now you can see, if y'all can see that, number 7, 10 1/8 inch pot. Inside getting all cleaned up, getting that old seasoning off of there. I can see some of that old seasoning still in there around these drip tits. I'm going to use that wire wheel to get around there real good. I got that old seasoning off of there. That's about it for cleaning it up. Stay tuned. Show y'all a video of reseasoning a cast iron pot. Thank you and have a blessed day.